What's up, YouTube? I know it's been a while since my last video, but there really wasn't much going on with the truck. But I did end up installing the stall. Um, the cam was already in there. I did all the stall stuff, put the tranny back in, went ahead and put new oil fluid in the tranny and all that, and everything worked fine. But the only thing was, I talked to my tuner, and he told me that because my truck had the stock injectors, which were like 25 pounds, I believe, whatever the stock 6.0s are, and he suggested that I go with some bigger injectors. So I actually also installed those already, but I'll put the link in the bottom in case you guys are y'all want to know which ones I used. But I went with a Delphi 50-pound injectors with the adapter wires. So yeah, I got here in about a week, and I installed them. It was really simple installation, so I really didn't make a video on that. All you do is 4 bolts holding down the fuel rails, and then you literally just pull up the injectors, and once you got the fuel rail out, all you gotta do is like twist and pull on the injectors and they'll come right out. Same process going back in, just maybe lube it up a little bit before you put the injector back in. But simple, took me maybe like 40 minutes to do the whole injector swaps. And after that, I took my truck to get tuned. So now it's officially tuned correctly. After the injectors though, I did, she wouldn't even want to stay at idle anymore. I would turn it on and it will die. I'd have to keep my foot on the gas, and if I took my foot off, it would just die. So I actually drove that way to my tuner. I went to Rowlett, Texas, and for me it's about an hour drive. So I drove my truck like that. But I mean, once you're on the street, I mean, you're on the gas. So I just babied it all the way over there. Got my tune, and well, now she's ready. So that's just the updates on my truck. It's not really anything different, it's nothing big, just injectors and the stuff you guys already knew about, the cam and the stall. So, but now she's tuned, and I got there's a little truck meet / video shoot or something going on today. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm just gonna wash the truck, and I'm gonna try to record once I get there. I'll maybe record some of the drive. Maybe if I do a pull or something, I'll record, and once I'm there, I'll maybe try to get some footage. I don't know if you guys would like that, but I'm gonna test it out, and then you can leave it in the comments if you liked it or not. But yeah, so right now I'm gonna start washing the truck, and yeah, I'll see you guys at the meet. Oh yeah, one more thing, guys, before I start washing my OBS. I wanted to, kind of an introduction to the channel with this truck. This is my 2014 Silverado. This is my daily driver. I'm not sure if I want to put it in the channel yet, because I'm not thinking that I want to do like too much to it. But it is a single cab, short bed, 4x4. It has the 5.3, it's a 6-speed. It has long tube headers by Pace Setter. Ported throttle body and a tune for my headers. That's really it. Other than that, it's a stock truck. It's a base model. It has the plastic floor and the regular cloth seats. Nothing fancy. But I'm not too sure if I want to involve this one too much in the channel yet. It is a 4x4, so I'm leaning more towards a lift. But I've never lifted a truck, so I'm not too familiar with all those lifts. So if you guys know, or maybe you have a lifted truck of your own, leave it in the comments what brand is the best to go with. And lift height, I don't really want to pass like 6 or 7 inches, nothing too crazy. But yeah, if you guys have any suggestions on this truck, what I should do with it or what lift I should use, just go ahead and leave it on the comments. I'd appreciate that. Hopefully you can start seeing more of this on the channel. Not too sure yet, but I just wanted to let you guys know in case you saw it in maybe the background of some of my other videos. It's a little 2014. As you can tell, I like single cabs. I got this little 4x4 and then the OBS. I really got it just because my OBS at first wasn't too reliable. Like, you know, I was in the process of LS swapping it, and then I would have a problem come up, and just for work wasn't really reliable, so I had to get another vehicle, and so I got this one. Had it for about like a year now. But yeah, just if you guys have any suggestions on lifts, let me know in the comments. But for now, I'm gonna get back to washing this truck and getting ready for that meet, and I'll catch you guys later. Alright, so I'm done with the wash. I know it wasn't nothing fancy, just nothing in detail either. It just, I literally haven't washed this truck in a year and a half. So, yeah, she was just really dusty. I mean, the paint ain't good. It has chips and scratches places. You really can't tell nothing major, but it does. Like, let me see if I can zoom in. Like, right there, you see that chip? It's like quarter size maybe, right on the fender. But it has a bunch of things like that, so I don't really care much about the paint. I was just washing it just so it doesn't look too bad. I'm not even gonna dry it. It'll be all right. But yeah, so right now, I can't even tell what time it is, but it's somewhere around 12 or 1. And the meet started at 12. And the meet started at 12 and it ends like at 4, I think. So I still got a couple things to do. I gotta pump some gas. I gotta get ready. picked up all this stuff I used, and I gotta get on my way. So I'm gonna leave y'all off again right now, and when I'm on the road, I'll pick up the camera and we'll keep recording.